In 3, 2, 1. Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Lux Unboxing. My name is Josie and today we're going to be doing my favorite unboxing ever because it's about gifts. So happy holidays. I know this is like super late and like happy belated holidays, but I wanted to share with you guys some of the gifts I got from my amazing essays and I can't wait to show you what I got. So the first one is from Chanel and it is a card that says, happiest of holidays from your friends at Chanel at South Coast Plaza. And in this amazing gift is something super cute and I cannot believe how pretty it is. It is a snow globe that has a bunch of cute little Chanel bags and let me just show you guys how pretty it is. So there is obviously the Chanel perfume that you guys can see in there and a bunch of Chanel shopping bags. Okay guys, so as you remember, if you haven't seen it yet, definitely check it out. I did a whole segment about the holiday gift sets and if you look really carefully, like the ones on top, those are the holiday gift sets with the matching red ribbons. And it is just really cute and pretty. It has a beautiful perfume in the middle, but it's such a nice way of saying thank you. And I really I'm honored that they gave me this because it's like really pretty and I can't wait to put it in my closet. So that is one gift right now. And if you haven't had a chance, I know that a bunch of the holiday gift sets have been sold out, but they always have them every year and they have like different motifs. It's kind of cool. So that's one gift, right? And another gift that I got from my wonderful essay, which will remain nameless because she's amazing and like she's just really awesome, but she gave me this Chanel. Actually I haven't a chance to unbox it, so I'll do it right now. The first one is, let's show it to you guys. It is the body lotion and I actually don't have this, so I'm really excited about what's in here. So I'm gonna open it with you guys together because I haven't had a chance to check it out. I literally got it in a container and I haven't had a chance to like look to see what's in here. So you and I are gonna go ahead and open it together. But I believe this is a full size. It looks like it's 6.8 ounces. And let me just show you guys what's inside. For the ones that have never seen it or don't know what it is. Here you go. It is the body lotion. And I'm gonna smell it right now to see if it smells good. Yeah, it's actually really nice and light. It's not super heavy. I cannot stand it when like the perfume's really heavy, but yeah, it's a really cute body lotion, which I will definitely be taking advantage of. And I also got the next one here. It is, ta-da! It is the Eau de Toilette spray, and I'm gonna open that with you guys. I'm so glad that you guys can share in this because I actually really haven't had a chance to open a bunch of the gifts that I got, so it's kind of nice that we're doing this together. And let's go ahead and take a look to see what this is. I'll be honest with you guys, I actually don't have a bunch of their perfumes, but they do have some amazing ones, especially Chance, that I really like how light it is. And this is the spray right here. So it's really pretty. I really like the bottle. It's really cute, right? And I believe, yeah, it's, let me see how it smells like. Yeah, it smells really good. I actually like how it's a little bit on the heavier side, but it's not like super heavy because if I cannot stand like really heavy perfumes, and I like how this is kind of like light compared to some of their other perfumes. But thank you so much. My essay is amazing. I love her. This was definitely like a really sweet and unexpected gift. And another gift from Chanel Beauty. Oops. And it just came out. So I'm gonna have to hide that one. But I did sneak a peek and open this one. The card on here says, wishing you a joyous holiday season and a sparkling new year. I did get this a little bit later than after the holidays, but I know that they were so backlogged and like getting these out. And this is like super pretty. And I just want to show you guys how beautiful and amazing it is. But take a look at that. Like, it is Ornaments that is like, here's the perfume, here's like the powder, beautiful camellia, little lipstick, and I just love everything about this. Like, it is so shiny and so sparkly, and you can use it as ornaments next year, but I think I might cheat and like put it on a bag or something. Like, it's just a really cute ornament to have, and it's just so pretty and sparkly. I don't know if you guys heard that. It's like kind of hard to hear, but yeah, it looks just like that. And it's just so pretty and like sparkly, and they're all just so different. I really like how there's a variety, but this is like such a pretty and unexpected gift from my beauty SA. Huge shout out to You Shall Remain Nameless as well. No, I'm just kidding. I could say his name. His name is MJ. He's from Fashion Island. He's amazing. Thank you so much for this. And the last gift is also, you guys probably know what it is, but I had to show you guys that it's so cool because there is actually 2 of these. And I don't know why I'm whispering, but there's one and then here's 2. But this one, I just wanted to show you guys that cute little sign that it came with. It says, wishing you a joyous holiday season and a sparkling new year from Chanel Fragrance and Beauty at Fashion Island. So if you guys are in Southern California, shop there. MJ is amazing. The whole entire staff is amazing. They're all really friendly and helpful, but it is also another snow globe. I obviously showed you guys last time what it looked like with snow. This is what it looks like without the snow. And yeah, I mean, it's just really pretty. And obviously, I think it's really cool to just kind of put them side by side. So cute. And there they are. So with snow, without snow. Thank you guys again for, I love my essays. Like, they're amazing. They are great. And I just really appreciate the fact that they took the time to like give something for free, because you guys know they have like tons of customers, and it's not even the free gift part. I think it's just more the thought that counts. And I just really appreciate all that they do. So that's that. And yeah, if you were to ask me like what my favorite gift is, I think out of everything, like, I really love the snow globes, but I'm so obsessed with the ornaments because it's so pretty and so sparkly, and I just can't wait to use it on something. So I'm thinking that maybe like I said, I might use it in a bag or some type of accessory. I haven't figured out that part yet, but yes, just like here, like just one last look before I put it away. And that one just fell, but here you go. Yep. And okay, so on to the unboxings that you guys are used to. So those are all the holiday stuff, right? And okay, so that was like Christmas holiday time, and I do have another unboxing, but since we are on a roll with like holidays things, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys this gift from my amazing SA from VCA. It is super cute. I ordered it and I got it. I had to get it sized just because of the way it fits, because it's short on me. You guys will know what I'm talking about when you see it. But he was so wonderful. He included, oh my gosh, I love, like, seriously, the way this smells is amazing. Like, it's a VCA candle, and it is, it's called Bougie Perfume, and it's Rose Velours. So that's the scent, and let me just show you guys what it looks like. My understanding is that these are a little bit hard to get. They don't come very often as gifts, so I wanted to definitely share with you guys the idea of what they look like, and it's just really pretty. Here's the candle, and then here's the lid. But yeah, and it just smells amazing. I don't know if you guys are the type of people to just buy a candle, but if you just buy a big candle and you leave it open, even if you don't turn it on and like light it and just leave it open, it actually make the room smell, depending on what kind of candle it is. But this just smells really amazing, and it's just really pretty. So if you ever go to the VCA store and you wonder why it smells really good, I'm pretty sure it's like their candles. And yeah. So on to the actual item itself. Okay, so here's the card from my essay, just saying, Dear Josie, thanks for everything. You're the best. That was really cute little thing. But yes, okay, so this is my first official 2022 unboxing, and I'm super excited because it's been something that I've been wanting for a long time, and I feel like it's still really hard to get, and I'm just so fortunate enough that they actually had it in the store, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. If you're a big VCA fan, like, you guys will understand just how beautiful this is. Here's the box that it came with, right? And I'm just gonna go inside and open it with you guys, make it easy. Okay, here she is, and it's like a whole process. I'm just gonna lift it very gently, and voila! It is the VCA Guilloche necklace. Absolutely stunning. I mean, it just sparkles. I have no words to really describe it, and it's just beautiful and amazing. And I feel like, depending on what you're wearing, like, it really just brings out any outfit. Like, it's just so pretty. And I'm not the type to switch out my jewelry all the time. Like, I'll take off my rings and, you know, my watch, but I just feel like this is such a beautiful necklace, and you can just wear it all the time and never take it off. It is 18 karat gold, so you don't have to worry about, you know, it fading or anything like that, but it's just so beautiful. Like, look at the way it sparkles. Like, if you don't own like a VCA piece, I mean, this is just such a beautiful, amazing piece. It's like laser cut. So the way it comes is, it actually comes standard. If you guys can see, it comes standard. Let me just show you guys. It's kind of hard to see. It comes standard as a 16-inch, but I kind of have a little bit of a larger neck, so I like my necklaces to drop a little bit. So I made this into an 18. It did take a little bit longer. So they take it to a jeweler. It's completely free. They will size it for you. But let me go ahead and show you guys how this fits as an 18. Like I said, I do have a larger neck. So if you're pretty skinny, I think a 16 will be fine. But I like the way this thing drops. You guys can see right there. It kind of drops right here. And I like the fact that there's room in between, because I don't like my necklaces. Like, if this is a 16-inch and it didn't have it would be like this, which I just don't like the way that feels. So they added an extra 2 inches. The guy who does all their jewelry, like with the resizing, did a beautiful job, but it fits so perfectly. Like, it's just a nice length. And I just really love the way it sparkles. I'm actually gonna tell you guys, full disclosure, I have been wearing this for the last 2 weeks, and I just love it. But I wanted to share with you guys, it's a guilloche necklace. They have a beautiful bracelet that I'm kind of eyeing right now, so we'll see if I will get it. But yeah, it's really pretty. It sits really well. I don't know about layering it, because I do know that this does scratch really easily. So if you're the type to wear 2 or 3 necklaces at once, this might not be the right necklace for you, but it just looks so pretty. Like, it's just so nice and beautiful. So that's my VCA unboxing. So the other things that I do have going on is, really quickly, I wanted to share with you guys the Happy Lunar New Year envelopes that I was able to get from the stores. So we actually got envelopes from Piaget. So there's this one right here with the cute little balloons, right? And then here's another one more of like the tiger theme, because I don't know if you guys are familiar, but this year is actually the year of the tiger. So this one kind of looks more tigerish. And then here's one that looks more balloon. But they gave these at the stores. So some of the brands actually have New Year envelopes that they give, or like Lunar New Year envelopes. And we actually have, here is Moynat. I love Moynat. I think it's a great brand. It's very different and very understated, and definitely check them out. Like, I really love their things, and I will be doing a Moynat video for you guys soon. We also have Chanel, and this Chanel was actually the envelope from last year. I'll show you guys what it looks like. It comes with like a little thing you could like write on there, and also it came with a bookmark, which is really cute and it's gold. But this is actually what their envelope looks like last year. And then this year, I'll show you guys the difference. It came with one envelope. I just wanted to share that with you guys. All the other ones came in sets, but this is the Chanel, and it says this: wishes you a happy Lunar New Year 2022. And it also comes with like this little sign, so if you wanted to go ahead and make it out to someone, like, hey bestie, you know, happy new year, love, moi, right? So, but yeah, it's just basically like a little cardboard box that looks like this. And it just says Chanel. It's very simple, right? And once again, it came with one envelope. So the other ones came with like a packet, and Chanel gave one. So I just think it's nice of them to give an envelope. It would be great if it was a pack, but thank you, Chanel. And the next one is from Hermes. You guys can see it's super simple. It's red, and it's kind of cute because they did come with like gold foils that you can use to seal your envelopes. And the envelopes are actually really pretty. Look at that. It's really nice. It's thick, and it has, you guys can, let me see if I can pop it out for you, like a little thing here. And it's just something, I don't know, I thought it was kind of cute thing that they did, but look. So inside this envelope is a piece of like cardboard paper where you can, once again, you know, say a little message like, you know, happy Lunar New Year, whatever it is, to whoever. But how cute is that little tiger? Like, he looks happy because he's coming from Hermes, I think, you know? So he goes in the envelope, right? And it's got the little peekaboo window, which I think is like the cutest thing ever. Like, I'm just gonna show that to you guys again because I just thought this was like such a cute card. So here is the envelope, and then we'll do the little, it's so cute, the little peekaboo thing on here. There you go, ready? Ta-da! Hi! Happy New Year! You're the tiger. And in the back, it has the word Hermes Paris on there. So I just thought this is a cute. So it comes with a set of, I think it looks like it might be 10 envelopes for this one. And then also, the last one, which is my favorite, it is from Cartier, and it is so intricate. Like, if you guys can see, it's almost like a 3D thing going on here, right? It's just so beautiful. And the best part is it's like not the regular traditional red envelopes. They actually came in two kinds. They have the red one, which is the panther that you guys know that they're really famous for, and in red, and also in gold. And I think that's why this is my favorite, you know, Lunar New Year envelope, just because of the gold. Like, look, if you guys look, it's so sparkly and so pretty. And yeah, so those are some of the stores that I got envelopes from. It was really fun collecting them. A couple of them got mailed out to me as a thank you again for being, you know, a client with some of these stores. But I just really love getting these. And the best part is I actually don't celebrate it, but my friend told me that if you celebrate Chinese New Year, on the day off, you don't have to clean. So I am now officially converted into celebrating this every single year. So yeah, those are just some of the things that I received from the different stores. And I hope that you guys love this unboxing. I had a lot of fun receiving all these gifts. And I'm so sorry it took a long time to do them. But once again, those are all my gifts from all my essays and all the red boxes, or all the red envelopes. Thank you. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and comment down below. Have a good one. Bye.